Namaskar, Divyon or Sajanon. Welcome to a journey into one of science's most astonishing discoveries. Imagine a light so powerful it could pass through your skin and muscle, but be stopped by your bones. This is the story of the X-ray, a discovery that changed medicine and science forever. It all began in 1895, when doctors could only guess what was happening inside the body. Then, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen stumbled upon mysterious rays he called X-rays, because their nature was unknown. This wasn't a planned breakthrough, it was a happy accident that opened a new window into the human body. Röntgen's curiosity and courage to explore the unknown led to a tool now used in every hospital worldwide. His story reminds us that sometimes the greatest discoveries happen when we least expect them. The X-ray made the invisible visible and revolutionized how we see ourselves. Today, we'll explore Röntgen's life, his discovery, and the massive impact it had on the world. From a simple experiment with electricity came one of the most important medical inventions in history. Let's see how a single moment of observation can ripple through generations. Let's begin. Who was the man behind the X-ray? Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, born in Germany in 1845. As a child, he was more interested in tinkering and exploring than memorizing facts. His curiosity and hands-on approach became his greatest strengths. Despite early academic struggles, his passion for physics never faded. Röntgen became a respected professor, known for his meticulous experiments and honesty. He wasn't after fame or fortune. He simply loved discovery. His story proves you don't need to be a top student to achieve greatness. Passion and dedication matter more. Röntgen spent countless hours in his lab, driven by curiosity. This dedication put him in the right place at the right time for his world-changing discovery. Remember, your passion is your superpower, no matter your field. Röntgen was an explorer of the unknown, and his quiet persistence changed the world. With hard work and curiosity, anyone can make a meaningful contribution. His legacy began with a simple question: what if? Picture the night of November 8, 1895, at the University of Würzburg. Röntgen, working late, studied cathode rays in a dark lab, using a Crookes tube covered in black cardboard. Suddenly, he noticed a faint green glow on a screen coated with barium platinoxide. Far from the tube, no visible light could escape, so what was causing the glow? The only energy source was the sealed tube, yet the screen glowed when the current was on, and stopped when it was off. Röntgen realized something invisible was passing through the air and making the screen glow. He had discovered a new, mysterious ray, one that could travel through space and matter. He didn't know what it was, but he knew it was monumental. In that quiet lab, Röntgen stood on the edge of a discovery that would change the world. This was the birth of the X-ray. The moment was electric, proof that science rewards those who notice the unexpected. Röntgen's careful observation turned a strange glow into a revolution. Sometimes, the most important discoveries begin with a single, unexplained light. The world would never see itself the same way again. The age of seeing the unseen had begun. Driven by curiosity, Röntgen began testing the mysterious rays. He found they could pass through black cardboard, books, and wood, but not through dense metals like lead. The ray's ability to penetrate depended on the material's density. Röntgen experimented by placing different objects between the tube and the glowing screen. The most dramatic test came when he placed his own hand in the path of the rays. On the screen he saw the shadowy outline of his bones, his skeleton, visible without a single cut. For the first time, a living person saw inside their own body. This was more than a scientific curiosity. It was a glimpse into a new world. Röntgen realized these rays could revolutionize medicine. The invisible had become visible, and the future of diagnostics was forever changed. The X-ray's power was undeniable. Röntgen's experiments revealed a new property of matter and light. The world would soon see the impact of this accidental discovery. Medicine would never be the same. Röntgen needed proof, something permanent. He replaced the glowing screen with a photographic plate and asked his wife, Anna Bertha, to help. She placed her hand on the plate, and Röntgen exposed it to the mysterious rays for 15 minutes. When he developed the plate, the result was astonishing. The bones of her hand and her wedding ring appeared in sharp detail. Anna Bertha exclaimed, "I have seen my own death," startled by the ghostly image. This photograph, hand-knit ring, became the symbol of Röntgen's discovery. It was undeniable evidence that X-rays could reveal the hidden structures inside the body. The image stunned scientists and the public alike. The X-ray was no longer just a laboratory curiosity. It was a tool with immediate practical use. The world now had a way to see inside itself. Röntgen's discovery was about to change medicine forever. The age of internal imaging had begun. News of the X-ray spread rapidly, and doctors immediately saw its potential. For the first time, they could see broken bones and foreign objects inside the body without surgery. X-rays became a lifesaver on battlefields, helping doctors locate bullets and shrapnel with precision. Children who swallowed coins or marbles could be treated quickly and safely. Orthopedics was transformed. Surgeons could set fractures accurately and monitor healing over time. Guesswork was replaced by precision. X-rays also revealed diseases like tuberculosis in the lungs and made it possible to diagnose ulcers and tumors without invasive procedures. The technology laid the foundation for modern diagnostics. Doctors gained a new pair of eyes, ones that could see through skin and bone. The X-ray was more than a tool. It was a revolution in medicine. It changed how we understand and treat the human body. The invisible was now visible to all. Medicine would never look back. X-rays didn't just transform medicine, they changed the world. Engineers used them to inspect metal for hidden flaws, making machines and buildings safer. Airport security relies on X-rays to scan luggage, keeping travelers safe. Art historians use X-rays to uncover hidden layers in paintings and authenticate masterpieces. Archaeologists examine ancient artifacts and mummies without damaging them. Even astronomers use X-ray telescopes to study black holes and distant galaxies. The same principle Röntgen discovered, different materials absorb X-rays differently, powers all these applications. From industry to art to space, X-rays reveal what's hidden beneath the surface. Röntgen's discovery reached far beyond his wildest dreams. One accidental observation became a tool for progress in countless fields. The ripple effect of the X-ray touches every part of modern life. Science's surprises can change the world in ways we never imagine. The X-ray story is a classic case of serendipity, a happy accident. Röntgen wasn't searching for a way to see inside the body, he was studying cathode rays. But when he noticed the unexpected glow, he investigated instead of ignoring it. Many breakthroughs, like penicillin and the microwave oven, began as accidents noticed by curious minds. Mistakes and surprises aren't failures, they're opportunities. The key is to stay curious and open-minded. As Louis Pasteur said, "Chance favors only the prepared mind." Röntgen's years of careful work prepared him to recognize the importance of his strange result. The lesson: don't fear mistakes or unexpected results. Sometimes the most interesting discoveries come from the unplanned. Pay attention to the unusual and ask why. Your next mistake could lead to your own breakthrough. The path to discovery is rarely straight, but it's always worth following. Our journey through the story of the X-ray comes to an end. Wilhelm Röntgen's curiosity and dedication gave humanity the power to see inside itself. He won the first Nobel Prize in physics, but never patented his invention. He believed it belonged to everyone. His story proves that great discoveries are for anyone with a curious mind. Röntgen followed his passion and investigated the unexpected. Every one of us has the potential for discovery, whether in science, art, or daily life. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Your laboratory could be anywhere, classroom, a kitchen, or your own imagination. Keep your eyes and mind open, and don't fear failure. Curiosity is your most powerful tool. Explore, experiment, and never lose your sense of wonder. The next great discovery could be yours. Thank you, and good night. Shubh Ratri.